Once upon a time, in the middle of winter, when the flakes of snow were falling like feathers from the sky, a queen sat by the window sewing. The frame of the window was made of black ebony. As she was sewing, she pricked her finger with the needle. Drops of blood fell upon the snow. The red looked pretty upon the white snow, and she thought to herself, if only she had a child as white as snow, with lips as red as blood, and hair as dark as the window frame. Soon after that, she had a little daughter who was white as snow, her lips as red as blood, and her hair was black as ebony, and she was therefore called Snow White.
Hi fans! My name is Snow White. Welcome to my room. These are my parents, the King and Queen of Knives. Buntis pa lang si Mom sa portrait na to. So, you know naman my story. Nawala si Mom nung panganak ako. Nag-asawa ulit si Dad nung 8 years old ako. A few months after, Dad passed away too. Naiwan ako sa pangangalaga ng narcissistic stepmom ko. Let's call her the Evil Queen. Ginawa akong alila ng stepmother ko. But I'm a happy person naman. I have friends. My hobbies include cooking, mopping the floor, twerking. Twerk, 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 twerk! And I really love to sing. Gusto kong mag-audition for Idol and Got Talent. Look at my video, fans! Heto ako, basang-basa sa ulan, 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 ulan. While strolling through the woods, I met Prince Charming. So cute kami, no? Nalaman ko, naghahanap pala siya ng asawa. Gorake siya audition. Isa lang ang problema. Wala akong datong, mga besh. Wala akong pamasahe. So saan pa ba ako tatakbo kundi sa 5'6"? Ladies and gentlemen, meet Serrano, ang supplier ni Stepmom ng kung ano-ano. Walking SM, Bayad Center at Cebuana Luwilier ang lolo mo. Sabi ko sa kanya, pautangin mo, Mi. Sabi niya, wala daw siyang datong pero meron daw siyang pwedeng singilin. So join ako sa kasukalan dahil nagtataguyatang ng utang. But I found out na sa dami ng trabaho ni Serrano, kinarir pa rin niyang maging hired killer. At ako ititegi niya. Grabe, ang daming nangyari, beshies. The next thing I knew, nasa house na ako ng 7 machos. Tuloy-tuloy ang pangyayari. Maluloka ka. To cut the long story short, nagtagumpay din si Stepmom. Pinukso niya ako ng food, ang weakness ko. So ayun, I was cursed. Eternal sleep until true love's first kiss. Salamat na lang at nandyan ang 7 hotties para ayusan ang aking katawang lupa bago ilagay sa glass at taol. Ang una nilang peg parang natutulog lang. Pero hindi nga naman magandang tignan. Sabi nila, dapat daw mukhang nang aakit para halikan agad. Pero hindi pa rin magandang tingnan sa ataol. They decided na mas importanteng maitaboy ang masasama para maprotektahan ako. So ayun, inayusan nila ako ng tipong walang magtatangka sa akin. But in the end, natural beauty ko ang nagwagi. Will my true love kiss me? Sino ang true love ko? Find out. Read my story. Book is on pre-sale. Bili na mga beshi!